chapter, that is the whole number. Before starting that, we have to get through the few properties. Closure property. If we add two whole numbers, then we get the whole number in answer. Example, 3 plus 4, 7 is a whole number. This is the properties of the addition. Cumulative property. By changing the order of whole number does not alter the same. Sum does not alter the sum. If we just switch the places between 3 and 4, 4 and 3, answer is remain the same. This is the property of sum. And associative property. In the addition, the sum does not change even if the grouping is changed. But if I just change the bracket between the start of the two numbers, the last of the two numbers, my answer will be the same. Same like in this example. Okay? And additive identity. 0 is called the additive identity. Why? Because whole number. Because it maintains the identity. If we just add any number with a 0, we will get the same answer. Like 7 here. 7. If we add 0 with any number, the answer will be the number itself. Okay?
Okay.
Now the properties of the subtraction. Closure property. If we subtract two whole numbers, then the answer is also whole number only if A is greater than B or A is equals to the B. If not, then the answer will be negative, and negative does not count it as a whole number. How? Here, this is an example. Like 8 minus 1 gives me the 7. 8 minus 8 gives me the 0, 0, 7 are the whole numbers. If my number is bigger, first one is bigger, second one is bigger, first one is small, the answer is minus 8. Minus 8 is not a whole number. That is a negative integer. In the whole number, we only count the positive numbers. Okay? And then the next thing, this is a commutative property of the subtraction. Commutative property is not true for subtraction. Why? Because if I just switch the places, like the bracket from one side to another side equal, it does not give me the positive answer. It will give me the negative answer. I cannot use negative answer in the whole. That's why. And the same thing goes for the associative property, because when I switch their places, switch their groups, I will get the opposite answer. Maybe not the minus, maybe the opposite answer. So associative property and the commutative property does not hold the properties of the subtraction. Got it?
Okay.
Any confusion?
No.
We will start the exercise 3A in the next class. Okay? Till then.
Okay. Could you just show the associative?
Yes, I can. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. To do the exercise 4A. So the first question will be done in the textbook, same as the 2 and the 3 on the notebook, and the 4 maybe we can do this whole exercise on the textbook. They're just adding about the integers. We have to do the division, we have to do the addition, we have to do the subtraction, but we have to follow the rules of addition and then subtraction. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
So the first one is 8 divided by the 8. Is it plus or 8?
It's 8 plus 7 equals 7 plus 8.
Very good. 7 plus 8. And same as it is 472 plus 36. This property is known as? Can you tell me the name of this property?
Commutative.
You have to look. Then you have to tell me. This is closure, commutative or associative?
Commutative.
Yes, commutative. So 47 plus 30, 472 plus 36. 36 plus 472.
472.
And 89 plus. Can you done this by own?
Should I write them down?
You have to own your textbook.
Okay.
Okay, you have to do this on your textbook. Okay?
Yes, okay, now done. Then 89.
Question number 2.
Equals 87 plus 89. Learning.
Yes.
Then
Then question number 2. Let me explain the question number 2. Then you can do them collectively. Okay?
okay.
Question number 2 is mark whether true or false. If the conditions are true or false, you have to do this. First one. Do you think this is true? No. And you know that you have to follow the properties of addition, properties of subtraction, then you have to put the true and false. After you're done, then you have to tell me the answers completely. Okay?
Okay.
This is let me tell you, for the A part, is the false because this is not the property of the addition subtraction. For the B part, this is the true. B is the true. Okay. C is false. There is this property does not exist in the subtraction. D is true. E is true. F is false. G is also
I
false.
can also do the third one.
Yes.
Third one also I can do it.
Okay, third one is like solve the following using the associative property. You just have to put the what the associative property says. What is the meaning of associative property? Bracket. You just have to put the bracket. You can put that bracket like anywhere. Okay.
Okay.
You have to produce this. For example, this is 87. Look here. If you have to do the question, I will do the question number 3, part A. So the first thing there is saying like 87 plus 64 plus 36. You have to represent it like 687 plus 64 plus 36. And on the opposite side here 87 plus 64 plus 36. Then these two will be added. Okay.
Yeah.
This is how things work. So this is, you have to complete this question number 3 and I think question number 4. Fill in the blanks.
Okay, same thing.
Same thing. You have to check the by adding which two numbers we got the answer 100. 90 plus 10, we got the answer 100. Then 73 plus 7, you will get the answer 80. And then 100 plus 80 gives you 180. Simply. And same things goes for the B. And in the 5, you have to give me the name of the properties. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, okay.
And you can even, you have done with the 6 one also.
6 1, can I just say it now?
You shared the picture of the book. I have the picture and you already wrote that down on your book. What is the successor of 2949?
2950.
Predecessor?
2950.
What about the B part? Successor and predecessor?
9000.
Yes, 9000, 9000, then 8998.
No, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
And then
Can
C1 is.
yes. Can you? Okay, Aryan. Can you just complete all the question from 1 to 5
Okay.
for your homework practice?
Yeah, ma'am.
We can move to the next topic, like the more properties of whole numbers. Okay. This is the easiest exercise. You can do this like after the class while you are traveling. Okay. Okay.
I should not do it now, sir.
Not now. This is for your homework task.
Okay.
Okay. More properties of the whole numbers. This is a closure property, and this is a commutative property. Like we can make so many multiples. Okay. And for example, 4 multiplied by 10 give me 40 pencil. 4, 10, 40. Whole number, whole number, whole number. By multiplying any whole number, the answer will be the whole number. This is the further properties. Okay. The property of zeros. These are the same thing. Now we have to do the property of division. Okay. We have learned the property of addition, subtraction. We have to get through the property of multiplication. In the multiplication, if the two whole numbers are multiplied, answer will be whole number. If they are going to multiply with a 0, answer will be the 0. Okay. And the property of the division. Property of the division says the closure property. Look at these examples. 6 divided by 3. Dividing each whole number, answer will be the whole number. Same as it is for the closure property. If 6 divide 3, 2. 6 divide 4, give the halves. 6 divide 7, only by the 6 and 7. So the quotient half. Yes.
So for closure property in subtraction, is it false? Yeah.
Yes. I am explaining you the properties of division on the page number 59, Aryan.
Yeah, ma'am, I know it.
Okay. So this is the closure property. Look, if the question look like this, 1, 1 by 2 and 6 by 7 are not whole numbers. Why? Because if A and B are whole numbers, then the quotient A divided by B need not always be a whole number. So division in whole numbers is not closed. So if in the division, if we get B not always be a whole number, we don't need any whole number in the division. We can get a different number. And what do you think about the commutative property of the division? 6 divided by the 2 is not the same as 3 divided by the 6. For example, if the same thing going on the one side, if we shift that, we will not get the same answer. So you can say that the properties of multiplication, I will write here, the properties of multiplication and plus and multiplication are same. Got it? And the properties of addition and subtraction and division is different. These are different. Okay? Because in the subtraction we have, if the one thing is going on, another should be different. Same as the division. Commutative, associative, closure property. Look here, associative. If we have to solve the associative, answer will be wrong.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah, because 9 divided by 3.
Yes. First, if I divide 8 with the 9, answer will be different. If I divide 9 with the 8, answer will also be different. Okay?
It is like we learned the integers, right? Brackets.
Yes.
We need to the step wrong. Change the answer.
Yes. Okay. So, can we move to the question exercise 4B? 4B. Mark whether true or false. 36. Now you have to give me the answer like true or false. Okay? 36 divided with the 69, or what's that number? Is it 64?
64, but I don't know.
No?
I'm last.
You have to give me the true and false answer. Is this a division or the plus? Is the plus?
Yeah, just
When you add 36 with a 64, 64, 36, we will get the exact answer. This is the true.
yes, true.
And the B is also true. That is the multiplication. And same thing for the C. Multiplication. C. And what do you think about the D, Aryan? What do you think about the D part? That is true or false?
False.
Very good. Now, can you fill in the blanks? You already did. 6. Which number will be multiplied to get the answer 6? 1. 1, na? And which number will be added to get the answer 481? That is exactly 0. If I multiply 9 with the 8, which number will multiply again to get the equal answer? Again the 9. 40 multiplied by is equal to 0. Okay, here. Yes, here. Which number will be multiplied with 87? Bolo. Like 5 will be multiplied with a 20 and answer will be multiplied with 87. Can you multiply 5 with a 20? 5 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. 100. 100 will be multiplied with a 87 and we will get the equal answer on the both side. Is it? This is the easiest exercise, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what do you think about the F part, Aryan? Which number will be add and give the 100 and the remaining will... Which one?
It's 54 and 46.
Yes, 54 and 46 will be added with the 173. Very good. Okay, the question number 3. Fill the missing number in the boxes and state the property involved in each case. 23 plus 48. Is it plus 48?
By R. 23 plus 48 equals 48.
Is equals to 48 plus which number? 23. Correct. 2 multiplied by... You have to tell me the property here. What is this property? Commutative. And what do you think about the B part? 6 multiplied by 63 then is equal to 63 multiplied by 2, again commutative.
Yes.
And what do you think about the C part? This is associative property and the answer will be equal. What do you think about the D part?
D is commutative.
Yes, you can say that. But we add the numbers. You can say that this is a closure property because we just add the numbers. Maybe commutative. What do you think about the E part?
It might be closure.
Yes, closure. No, that's associative. The bracket is shifted, na? The associative property.
I'm saying D.
D. Okay, we can say that the closure property. And E is the associative property. Okay, what do you think about the F part? 2 multiplied by 7, 25 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. You can say that this is a closure property. F part.
Closure, yeah.
What do you think about the G?
Then I have the additive identity.
Yes,
Multiplicative identity.
multiplicative identity. What do you think about the H part? Additive identity. Additive identity.
Okay.
And again with the multiplicative identity.
Yeah.
Now move to the question number 4. 693 plus
And the I is not multiplicative identity. That's
I is a
property of 0.
property of 0. Okay. Got it. Can you give me the answer? Show that. Now you have to do the addition. What if I add 693 plus 432 and then answer will be 4? Did I get the correct answer on both sides? I will do the A part and you have to do the B part. And I will do the 5 questions, solve the following as fast as you can using the properties of addition and the multiplication, and find the product of the following multiplication using associative property. Like you have to do this on both sides and then write yes or no. Okay, I think you can do the question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. I will do the few questions, you have to do the remaining parts. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, let's do the question number 4, A part. Can you help me to write the numbers?
Okay.
Question number 4, A part. Okay, just
693 plus
6. Can you just tell me the numbers without the place value?
okay 693
Yes,
plus
plus
432
432
plus 412.
plus 412. So the bracket is between which, how many numbers? First two numbers here. Now I have to do the same thing like on the equal other side. 693 plus 432 plus 412. Then I have to add these two numbers.
Yes.
Now I will add the first these two numbers, then I will get the answer. By adding these 693 plus 432, the answer is 1125 and the plus 412. And same thing here. 432 plus 412. 693 plus 844. Now I have to add these, all of these. 1537, and on the other side 693 plus 844. Yes, I got the correct answer. These two are equal. This is how you have to do the question number 4 part. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the next question, like now the question number 5. The first two part is for the addition and the C and D is for the multiplication. You have to do this for the properties of addition and the multiplication. You can simply solve this as fast as you can. You can simply simplify this and you have to get the answer, and same things goes for the C and the D part. I think we don't have to create the equals. Do we have to create the associative closure property, or simply we can solve like for the one side, or maybe we have to do the for the left hand side and for the right hand side? Do we need to do this?
Can I do it like according to closure?
Yes, you can do that for the closure property. Maybe we have to prove the two identities like from the left hand side and to the right hand side. Let me do the C part. Okay. Question number 5. Can I do the C part?
Yes.
C part is 379. Can you help me to write the numbers?
Yeah, 379.
Okay. Multiply by
25.
25. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. Now I will do the same thing like here. 4 multiply by 25. I just switch their places. 379. And now I have to multiply the each number. Okay, now first I will multiply 4 with the 25 like on the both side. I will get the answer 379. Same. Here is the 100. Here is the 100 and the 379. So on the both side, after multiplying 100 with the 379, I will get the answer 37,900. Yes, on the both side, the answer is equal. This is how you can solve for the properties of addition and the subtraction. Got it? This is how you can do the fifth part. Now the sixth part. Find the products of the following multiplication using associative property of multiplication. Okay, what is the associative property? It's mean that we have to switch the places, brackets.
Yes.
Can I do the C part? Sixth C part.
Can you do the D?
Sixth C part. Okay, sixth C part says 58 4 250. 58 4. It means I have to do it on the both side. But I didn't decide it. Inside the bracket I have to put 2 numbers or 3 numbers. 2 numbers. Like 50. I can put the 3 numbers. 8 4. Yes, I can. 250. Then I can write here 58 4 250. Now the bracket will be between these two. Now I have to solve the multiplication inside the bracket first here, then here. Now 8 4 gives me 32. 32 with 250 gives me 8,000. 50 multiplied by 8,000 here, and 8 with the 4 is 32. 30 with the 50 gives me 1600. I have to multiply with the 250 here. Now 8,000 multiplied by 50. Answer is 400,000. Got it? 1600 multiplied by 250 give me the exactly same answer. Yes, Aryan. Any question?
No, I don't know what I did wrong. I got 800.
You did wrong? Why?
8 times 5 was 40.
Yes. 4 8s are. Then you have to do this multiplication. Then the answer, you will get the answer. Okay.
Now I have 400. 5 times 8, I put it as 800.
Okay. In the next table, Aryan, write yes or no. This is the easiest table we have done with this. Can we do this?
Yes.
Okay, properties. Closure. You just have to put the tick. You have to put the yes. For the addition, closure is tick. For the subtraction, closure is no.
Yes.
Yes?
No, it's yes.
It's yes. For the closure, what we have to do the closure? I don't think so.
It's 5 minus 3 equals.
Then 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is not equal. In the closure, addition is the yes, subtraction is the no, multiplication is the yes, division is the no. Okay?
Yeah, and then commutative addition is yes.
Subtraction is no. Yes. Same thing for the associative.
Yeah.
And for the additive identity, addition is yes. Subtraction. What do you think about the additive identity of subtraction?
It is also yes.
For example, if I have to divide with the 1, they will give me the same answer.
Yeah,
And
3 divided by 1 is
let's just check can you check the rule of additive identity in subtraction and multiplication and division, then the multiplication identity for the each of them, then you can write the yes and no.
okay. In multiplication, it is yes. Then in subtraction, it is yes.
Yes.
And subtraction also yes. And division. In division, it's yes.
Yes.
All are yes.
Done.
Yeah.
Now these are the application based questions.
But
Done.
for multiplicative identity, addition won't come, right?
Addition won't come. Why?
Because it's multiplication.
Okay.
So addition won't come, subtraction won't come, division.
Have you checked from the
division won't
previous topic or not?
come. Yeah.
Okay.
Multiplication. Multiplicative identity is only for multiplication and division.
Only for multiplication and division.
Yeah. Because division is also done by multiplication.
Yes. Okay. Can we start this application based questions?
Yes.
Okay. How many are these? These are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start. First question. On the annual sports day, GH school 78 boys, 52 girls took part in various sporting activities. On the same day, ST school also held their annual sports day. Their 52 boys and the 78 girls took part in various sporting activities. Which school had more students participating in the sports day? Simply you can do the addition. I think we have to set the rule. Maybe the same one, no? Same. If there are 78 boys, 52 girls, you just have to add these two on the equal. This is a closure property. This is a closure property.
No, it's not closure, it's commutative.
I think is a closure.
It's because it's 78 plus 52.
It says like A plus B. It says like A plus B, B plus A. Is this a closure property or not?
No, it's commutative.
It's commutative. But what is the closure property?
Closure property is like adding whole number plus whole number equals.
No. What is the formation? How I have to write the closure property? Like in the
A
form.
plus B equals C.
Okay, A plus B is equals to C. By adding the two whole numbers, answer should be whole number. Got it. So this is a which property? Commutative property. So the boys for the G school. For the G school, first one is G school. Yes, for the G school, boys are 78, girls are 52. So total 78 plus 52. What is the total? Can you give me the total?
Yeah, it's 130.
130. So what do you think about the ST school? ST school. Here the boys are 52, girls are 78. So T is equal to 52 plus 78. Answer will be the same 30. So both schools had the same Number of participants 130 students in each. You have to write this on your maths register.
Okay.
Do you have maths register with you right now?
Yes.
Okay. Understood? Any question?
I don't think I have any question.
This is the easiest one. I will take the test of this exercise on Monday. Okay? We'll finish this exercise on Friday. Can you hurry up and check me how many exercises in this chapter we have?
Okay. Only 2 more.
Okay, we can. So, next one.
You can keep the test on Friday.
You want to give the test on Friday?
Yes, please.
Okay. Sampath
Okay,
and
I
Joginder decided to jog around the school playground. Sampath takes 6 minutes and Joginder takes 8 minutes to jog one complete round of the playground. If Sampath jogged 8 rounds of the playground and Joginder jogged 6 rounds, who jogged for lesser time? They both have the same. Like 8 plus 6 and 8 plus 6. They will have the same answer. Okay?
Yeah, said opposite, like the same words but different. Same meaning, different words.
Yes, same number but in the different format, like a which property? Commutative property. We can write it like
6, 8.
we have to write like the proper format. Okay, this is a question number 2. So the round for the one round, I'm just going to write S 6 minutes and Joginder take 8 minutes. Got it? Now for the second round.
Yeah.
Second round. In the second round, Joginder take how many minutes? 6.
6 minutes.
And Sam?
Wait, no. 8 minutes.
For the Sam takes 6 minutes for one round. Sam takes 6 minutes for one round. He jogged 8 rounds.
No, Joggins it took 8 minutes.
This is not about them. This is not the individually. In the one round, in 6 minutes, he take 8 rounds. Okay? And Joginder in 8 minutes take 6 rounds. Like here.
Okay.
Sam.
No, jogging. Look, it's like Joginder takes 8 minutes to jog one
Yes.
complete round of the place.
How much Sam take minutes? Time? 6 minutes. And what about the time of Joginder?
I think this is same time.
8 minutes. No. 8 minutes. Time is for the Sam. Time is 6 minutes, and for the Joginder, time is 8 minutes.
Okay.
And for the rounds, in 6 minutes, Sam take 8 rounds, and Joginder takes 6 rounds. First, you have to add 6 plus 8. Answer is total time. We have to find the total time. Total time.
Plus 6.
No, we have to multiply 6 minutes with the 8 round, na? Total time. Then 6 multiplied by 8 gives me 48 minutes. Same thing here. 8 multiplied by 6 gives me 48 minutes. Understood?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
Next question. Ranjan's photo album has 10 pages with 12 photos in each page. whereas Sanjay's album has 12 pages with 10 photos on each page. Whose album has more photos? You just first you have to learn that we have to multiply or we have to plus. Whose album has more photo? So you simply have to add here. Simply. Okay? Maybe no. First let's do this. We have to make a format. Then let's calculate the total number of photos in each album. Ranjan's, like I'm going to write R Ranjan's album, 10 pages, and how many photos? 12. And 10 multiplied by 12 gives me 120 photos. We have to find the photos. Okay? And for the Sanjay's album, he has 12 pages and he has 10 photos. We have to multiply and then 120 photos. Both have the same number of photos. Okay? Got it? Understood? Yes? No, they are asking about the Ranjan's photo album. This is a photo album. He has 10 pages and 12 photos on each page. On each page, he has 12 photos. Can you count all the photos that is present in 10 page? You don't have to add here. You have to give me the total, then the total will be multiplicated. Okay? Okay, 11. The number of students in the section A, B and C of a class 6 and are 49, 38 and 51 respectively. The number of students in the section A, B and C of class 7 are 51, 49 and 38 respectively. Find the number of students in class 6 and 7. Now we have to calculate the total number of students. Okay? They just gave us the 3 different values. So for the class 6, section A, section B and section C. Now we have to, what we have to do here, Aryan? Addition or multiplication? Addition. Yes, addition. First you have all the numbers of class 6, then you have to add all the number of class 7 and it will give you the same answer. Okay? Let me do it here. This is for the grade 6. This is for the grade 7. A, B, C. A, B, C. And for the 6th one, there is 49 students and then 38 and then 51. For the class 7A students, 51, 49, 38.
Did you correct the paper?
Yes?
Did you correct my paper?
Not yet. Just half. We'll share it you, okay? We'll share it with you, okay? Okay, A, B, C. You have to add all of these. Can you just do the addition? Hurry and can give me the answer.
Writing. 138.
Very good. On the both side?
Yeah.
Very good. This is the same students in each class. Okay, the question number 12 is for your homework, Aryan. Okay?
Okay.
Anything else in today's lecture? We have done with the 4A, 4B. This is the most easiest exercise. You just have to do the additions.